Hello everyone, in this video we'll be seeing how to manage categories. To manage categories, go to Products and then click Categories. Here you'll be able to see the list of categories that are already added on your store. Find the category that you want to edit. You can move between pages by clicking on the page number here. Or you can search a category by clicking on the search icon. Give the name of the category that you want to edit and click search. Next, click on the pencil icon to edit the category. It shows the form to edit the category. Make the necessary changes and then click save. Your category has been updated. To delete a category, click on the delete icon for the category that you want to delete. It will take your confirmation, click OK, and the category will be deleted. Please note, if you are editing a child category, you cannot change the parent category. Please note that you cannot delete a category that is in use. If I try to delete a category in which products are added, it will give me an error. This is how you manage the categories.